Greetings to one and all. My name is Ishwar. I am doing MBA from Bangalore University, first year. So now for social experiment, we chose the topic to check the humanity or the concern of the people towards the plans. So we chose the location and surroundings of the metro. And then now for the conduction of this experiment, we taken around 4 plants. Like one is a dead plant and one is about to die, and remaining 2 plants are alive. So we arranged these things in an order, and we kept a theme. We kept a board with a theme. Can you water me? So we are trying to record the responses of the people, how they will react towards the board and the plans. So that's it. Let's get into the video.
अब तुम ही हो।
Hi, my name is Ganesh SN. If we don't protect nature, this is going to happen to us.
खो गए हम कहाँ रंग सा ये जहाँ टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते।
Hi, I'm Akshata. I'm here to conclude. We are recording different responses. You can see in a video many responsible people were ignoring the plants even though I'm seeing the things. And many are like least bothered to see what is going on. We got many positive responses from the children and roadside vendors. So I finally conclude by saying, don't make the plants rate, keep them with a care. Thank you.